How do you build a marketing agency business that lets you live your ideal life? Well, you're going to need blueprints, tactics, and detailed step-by-step instructions. You're going to need to know what not to do, what to ignore, and what mistakes can be made. You're going to need strategies that show you what you should focus on and why. You're going to need help with questions like, where do I begin? How do I find new clients? How do I sell my services? Over the last 8 years, I've figured all of this out, and I've documented the entire process. And now I present it to you. And I'm going to show you exactly how I run a 6-figure Google Ads agency in less than 90 minutes a day. You're going to need proven systems that let you build and grow your agency with minimal effort. Even if you already have an agency, I share with you my secrets on how I obtain new clients on autopilot and how I outsource everything. But first, you need to take action. Hi, I'm Mike Mancini. Welcome to Ads Agency Unlocked.